Question. Solve y double dash plus 2y dash minus 35y is equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. Once more, solve y double dash plus 2y dash minus 35y equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. Consider the homogeneous part of this equation, that is y double dash plus 2y dash minus 35y equal to 0. Y double dash plus 2y dash minus 35y is equal to 0. Write the characteristic equation, that is we can write it as m square plus 2m minus 35 equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation in M. Solving this equation using the formula minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, we get m is equal to 5 or minus 7. m1 is equal to 5 and m2 is equal to minus 7. Okay, this is distinct real roots. Then the general solution is of the form y is equal to c1 e raised to m1t plus c2 e raised to m2t. Okay, substitute the value of m1 is equal to 5 and m2 is equal to minus 7 in this equation. We require the general solution of homogeneous part. Okay, that is we write y is equal to c1 e raised to m1 is 5t plus c2 e raised to m2 minus 7t. This is the general solution of the homogeneous part. Okay, we represent y as yc of t. Okay, yc of t is equal to, we can write c1 e raised to 5t plus c2 e raised to minus 7t. Okay, this is the general solution. Putting it as equation A. Next we are going to find yp. Okay, here g of t is equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. We write g of t here. G of t is equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. Okay, using the rules of undeterminate coefficient, we choose yp is equal to c e raised to 5t plus k sin 5t plus m cos 5t. That is, first we consider the terms in g of t, that is 12 e raised to 5t. Okay, 12 e raised to 5t. We know that by undeterminate rule, if g of t is of the form k into e raised to alpha t, then yp is of the form c into e raised to alpha t. Here g of t is 12 e raised to 5t. So we write it as c e raised to 5t. Okay, here yp c e raised to 5t. Next we consider the term 37 sin 5t. Okay, if g of t is of the form k into sin beta t, then yp is of the form k into sin bt plus m into cos bt. So we write here 37 sin 5t as k into, okay, k into sin 5t plus m into cos 5t. Okay, but e raised to 5t is the solution of homogeneous differential equation A. Here c1 e raised to 5t. Solution e raised to 5t is repeating here. Hence by modification rule, we rewrite this yp as yp is equal to ct e raised to 5t. Here we change t. Okay, c t e raised to 5t plus k sin 5t plus m cos 5t. Okay, so we use this modified yp for solving this problem. Okay, putting it as equation B. Since yp is the solution of given equation, so we write it as yp double dash plus 2yp dash, okay, minus 35yp equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. First we find the first derivative of this, okay, equation B, okay, that is yp dash is equal to, we write 5ct e raised to 5t plus c e raised to 5t plus 5k cos 5t minus 5m sin 5t. Next we find the second derivative of yp, That is yp double dash is equal to 25 ct e raised to 5t plus 10c e raised to 5t minus 25k sin 5t minus 25m cos 5t. Substitute the value of yp double dash, yp dash, yp in this equation. We get this. After arranging this, we get 12c e raised to 5t minus 60m cos 5t minus 60k sin 5t plus 10k cos 5t minus 10m sin 5t equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. From this, we write 12c e raised to 5t, then take cos 5t from this. We write plus 10k minus 60m cos 5t, okay, cos 5t, and from this, we take sin 5t outside. We get negative of 60k plus 10m sin 5t. That is equal to 12 e raised to 5t plus 37 sin 5t. Comparing both sides, we get here coefficient of e raised to 5t is 12c, here 12. 12c equal to 12. Okay. Next we compare coefficient of cos 5t, that is 10k minus 60m. Here 0. Okay. We write 10k minus 60m equal to 0. Next we compare the coefficient of sin 5t. That is, we get here minus of 60k plus 10m equal to 37. Okay. From this, we write 12c equal to 12. We write c equal to 12 divided by 12, that is 1. Okay. Next we solve these two equations, we get k and m. Okay. First we write 10k minus 60m equal to 0. Next we write 60k plus 10m is equal to negative 37. Next we equating the coefficient of k. That is, we get multiply 6 throughout this equation. We get 60k minus 60 into 6, that is 360m is equal to 0. Okay. Then write 60k plus 10m is equal to minus 37. Okay. Subtract this equation. We get here 0. Here we get minus 370m. Okay. That is equal to 37. Okay. We get m is equal to 37 divided by minus 370. That is equal to negative 1 by 10. Now we get m is equal to negative 1 by 10. That is equal to negative 0.1. Substitute the value of m is equal to negative 0.1 in this equation. We get 10k minus 60 into negative 0.1 is equal to 0. That is 10k, here negative into negative positive, 60 into 0.1 is 6 equal to 0. That implies 10k is equal to minus 6. Okay. Then k is equal to minus 6 by 10, that is equal to negative 0.6. Now we get k is equal to negative 0.6. Okay. We substitute the value of c, m, k in this equation. That is, yp is equal to k sin 5t plus m cos 5t plus ct e raised to 5t. Okay. Now we get yp is equal to, here k is equal to negative 0.6 sin 5t. Okay. M is negative 0.1 cos 5t. Here c is 1 plus t e raised to 5t. Therefore, the general solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation is y equal to yc of t plus yp of t. Substitute the value of yc of t and yp of t in this equation, we get the required solution. Okay. Yc of t is equal to c1 e raised to 5t plus c2 e raised to minus 7t. Yp of t is negative 0.6 sin 5t minus 0.1 cos 5t plus t e raised to 5t. This is the required solution of the given non-homogeneous differential equation. Clear?